So now you got that. How was that?
It was alright. Once I can better gauge when to pull, I think I'll be better at it.
That's why you wear a condom. You're not very good at pulling right now, as you can see, right? I think I put 3.9 US quarts in there. How do I know how much oil I have in the system now?
Dipstick.
Okay, pull the dipstick out. Grab that, because you don't want to drip oil everywhere. Don't rub it off yet. You need to look at it to see where the oil is at. Where's the oil at? It's at almost full. So you see that? It's not all the way covered all the hash marks. It's almost there. So I'm going to put a little bit more in there.
Oh, it's the hash marks. That was the dot.
What dot?
This dot right here.
What? No. That's way too much. That's the dot to keep the oil from flying out of the tube.
Ah, that makes sense.
All right. Dip it back, clean it, wipe it off. Push it back down in there. All the way. It's not all the way. Now pull it back straight up. And look at it. Is it there now?
Yeah.
All right, so what we're going to need to do now, put it back in. Look under the car real quick. See if you see any oil leaking. Do you see any oil leaking?
Wait.
No, you don't see any oil leaking.
No, it was farther back. I think that's the AC.
So what you're going to do is take this out. Make sure you always take this out, the funnel out. Put it down over there. Put the cap back on. Always make sure the cap is on. Because what you're going to do right now, you're just going to start it for a little bit to get all the oil circulating through that we just drained out, get everything circulating through. Then we're going to turn it off and you're going to check
the dipstick.
Yes. All right, go ahead. All right, turn it off. We're gonna check the dipstick again. This time you don't look at it, wipe it off. Because you're wiping it off because the engine just pushed it up to here, so you don't have a true reading. So now, push it back in there and pull it straight up, nice and easy. And now look at it. Is it still all in the hash mark?
Some of it drained out a little bit.
But it's still good. It's at the top of the hash mark, so that's good where it's at.
Okay.
So put it back in. Tighten it up.
This?
No, make sure that's tightened all the way up. Now we're gonna lift the car up and check for leaks.
Okay.
So go ahead and check for leaks. You see any leaks?
No. And
So for right now, we're done with the bottom, right?
yeah.
If we had our belly pan, we put our belly pan on. We're gonna need to get a belly pan ordered.
What's this right there?
What's what?
This right here.
Oh, that's your clutch and flywheel. Okay, we got to put that inspection window back on. That was test. Good thing you caught it. That was a test to see if you passed. All right, I forgot that I took it off, but that's the dust pan. That's the dust cover. That's your flywheel, and that's where your clutch. Cause this right here, this is your transmission.
Oh, okay. I thought it'd be back there.
No, that's if you have a rear wheel drive. That's in my car.
Oh, I have a front wheel.
Correct.
Oh, that's what it. Oh yeah, I do remember now. I remember from Forza now.
Forza.
Forza tells you it'll tell you the true wheel drive because I always switch all my cars to all wheel. So it'll tell me what it is before.
All right, so we're gonna put that dust cover back on, and then we're gonna lower it down, and then we're gonna put the new battery in.
Okay.
All right, so now we're gonna replace this battery with the interstate one that I had ordered. So usually with this, we're gonna start with the 10 mil, and we're gonna take off the negative, take off the positive, and then we take off the tie down. Do that, and we'll move the old one out. We'll just clean these terminals off real quick. So just
Will I shock myself?
quite possible or may not, but here it is. It's a 10. You're just gonna go like this and take it off.
So I can shock myself.
Quite possible. Get closer to the thing. You can't do that. Put this down. Give me this. And look over there and do whatever you're gonna do.
Will it shock?
Bzzz. Bzzz. You have to take it off and turn it every time because that's how it works.
Okay.
Now it's loose. You could pull it off.
This thing off?
Yeah, pull the cable up.
Which cable?
This is a cable. Pull that whole thing up.
Is the cable?
Yes. What are you jumping for?
I don't want to get shocked.
You're not gonna get shocked. Maybe. Whoa! Ah!
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do the positive. This one I have the power on it. Go ahead.
I don't like the sound of that.
Make sure it sit on there right before turn if that's how you're gonna round a bolt out.
I had it. Don't know how I got it, but I got it somehow.
What you do, here, give it here. Since you're being a scaredy cat, you take it, you loosen it up, you flip the wrench around to get a different angle, you flip the wrench around to get another different angle, and now it's loose. Now you twist that and pull it off. No. Never pull the cable. You're going to pull it out. Actually hold that. Twist this.
Touch that. Can you do it?
Yeah, you could touch anything.
No, can you do that? I don't want to do it. I want to get shocked.
You're not going to get shocked.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
I don't like that maybe factor.
Quite possibly. But maybe not. But maybe. That's not going to stop you from getting shocked.
I don't want to touch it.
Gonna have to pry it up a little bit with. Use this. All right. Now that's out of the way. Now I just gotta pull up on this. And I gotta use a 10. Dang, do I have a deep 10? Here, hold that.
Which one?
This. No, hold it down. Oh, this one's too deep. Let me put this down and take that bracket off. All right, we got the battery swapped out with the Interstate MT51R. Would you like doing us the honors? right up. It didn't drag like it usually do. Go ahead and turn it off. Start it back up again. Yep. Alright, go ahead and turn it off. Alright, so battery done. Oil check done. Not oil check. Oil change done. What else we need to do?
Brake fluid flush.
We may do a brake fluid flush. Let's see. Alright, come on out. Next thing I like to do is I like to do an engine supplement, engine oil supplement, to help break down and clean everything else up as well. So it's just a supplement for the oil when I do oil changes. So here it is, BG MOA. Man, I don't got no fingernails. So just take it, pop the top like a soda. Oh man, you put this on super tight. I can't even break it loose, babe. You're so strong, Arj. You might have to do it for me. Look, let me see those. See that? Look at that.
Oh, whoa. Uh-oh.
Superman, what did you do?
You said put it on tight?
You can't get it off, Superman?
No.
Come on. You got it. Tighter. Yeah. There you go. Almost. All right, we're going to have to bust out the mechanical stuff. Hold this. Can't believe Superman made it that tight. There you go. Spill it a little. I'm gonna spray a little bit of, tighten this up again. Spray a little bit of brake clean. Clean that up. Again, I use the BG 403. And what we're gonna do also is do a 44K engine system, not an engine, a fuel system cleaner. Put that in the tank, have that run through, clean up the injectors and everything else like that. So part of the service that me and R and J provide. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, pause. All right, so the maintenance for right now is all done. We just got to get a booth for your steering rack, or we'll see if it's just better just to change the whole steering rack. But other than that, maintenance is done. You're good to go back on the road. What do we do today?
We cleaned out the brake system, changed our oil, and what did I forget? Oh, changed the battery.
And change the battery. All right, so we did a bunch of that for Civic today. So thank you guys for watching another video and with Arj, and definitely
Subscribe, like, comment, and share.
yeah, 95% of the viewers don't subscribe. It's free 99. Just go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to hit 10K by the end of the
Year.
Also hit the bell icon for
Future uploads.
all right, until the other videos, we out. Peace.